Welcome to the Wildcat Sanctuary A-cat-emy Awards ceremony. Our first category is Best Hair and Makeup. The nominees are Aslan in Main Attraction, Ramsey in The Artist, Jahara in Splash, the award goes to Jahara in Splash. Our next category is Best Special Effects. The nominees are Donoma in Vertical Limits, Shazam in Popcorn Smash, Carlo in Air Carlo, and the award goes to Shazam in Popcorn Smash. Our next category is Best Love Scene. The nominees are Servals cuddling in The Huddle, Tractor, Athena, and Libby in Short Tail Love, Sierra and E-cat in We're In This Together. The award goes to Sierra and E-cat in We're In This Together. Our next category is Best Score. The nominees are Luna in Scream, Lily in Moans in the Wind, Liberty in Let Freedom Ring, and the award goes to Luna in Scream. Our next category is Best Comedic Performance. The nominees are Hilo and Sebastian in Beneath the Burlap, Zeus in Big Cat in a Little Pool, Lions in This Is How Lions Roll, The award goes to Hilo and Sebastian in Beneath the Burlap. Our final category for the evening is Best Supporting Role. The nominees are Liberty and Raja in Inseparable, Titan and Lily in Different Stripes, Misha and Max in The Odd Couple. And the award goes to... Wait a moment, we have a last-minute entry. The award goes to... you, our donors and supporters!